Interactive story is an application for children with NDD and their therapists who need to learn and improve skills such as autonomy and decision-making, and need a tool that gives automatic feedback on a session, respectively. Interactive story is born to satisfy these two main needs, while also making the experience a fun and entertaining moment. The application simulates a real-life situation, a trip to the park, in a room of a therapeutic center equipped with the necessary hardware. The environment is recreated thanks to hue lights and 2 projectors, while the interaction between the patient and the system happens through movement, recognized by a Kinect. The patient's goal is to make friends with as many animals as they can. This is achieved by correctly completing the various activities they find in the park. These activities are organized in a graph-like structure, and each node is associated to a random activity among the ones implemented, offering a different experience to each patient. Let's now have a look at 2 short scenarios of use, in which we show 2 of the implemented activities. In the first one, David has already completed some activities, and now he has to choose where to go. He decides to go right and meet a cat. He is then asked to choose the right food to give to a cat. His answer is correct, and he is rewarded. In the second activity, David is asked to point a sequence of objects and places where a bird can rest. If he points the wrong one, he is asked to try again. After he finds them all, he is rewarded. We think interactive story is a valid product because, thanks to storytelling, the therapeutic aspect of the session can be hidden from the patients and made implicit. Our application has also some similarities with video games, and the random order of activities makes each use of interactive story a fun and unique experience for each child.